Morning! You join me very bright and early here at Waterloo Station because I am here to see a tube line that hasn't run for over a year. Let's head inside and get to it. So today is Monday the 7th of June and I'm talking into my phone because I forgot my microphone at home. Go me. I'm on the Waterloo City line for the first time in well over a year. The line closed on the 20th of March because of the coronavirus, and today is its first official running. They ran a trial on Friday afternoon, just gone, just before the weekend, but today it is officially back. And the train is going to be coming very soon from the depot just behind me.
Customer information. Please ensure you wear your face covering and use the number on the station.
Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please.
Let's hop on board.
Ready for departure, thanks.
It's good to be back. And I think we're just coming into Bank Station. Unfortunately, the little shop is closed.
Please remember to keep priority seats free for people who need them, and look out to see if someone needs your seat more than you. It can make a huge difference if someone doesn't have to ask. Thank you.
Ready for departure, thanks.
So here we are, back on the Waterloo City line for the first time in over a year. Very nice to be back with these little turquoise grab rails. Now, as I said, first time in over a year. The line was actually suspended on the 20th of March 2020 because of the coronavirus pandemic. And the reason for that is that the Waterloo City line actually shares drivers with the Central line. As you can see, the trains are the same 1992 stock as used on the Central line. Manual driven versions, not fitted with ATO. And they share drivers with the Central line, who are based in the Central line's Leytonstone depot. At the start of the pandemic, TfL realised they were going to have a problem with shortages of drivers as people needed to self-isolate. And so they decided that the Waterloo and City line wasn't as essential as the Central line. Obviously there's lots of other ways to get between Waterloo and Bank. And so they shut the line. And 15 months later they are reopening it. Only during the peak hours and only on weekdays. So that's Monday to Friday from about 6 a.m. till around about 10 a.m. And then again during the afternoon peak. No weekend service at all. The Waterloo and City line never used to run on Sundays anyway, but now no Saturday service either. Here we are at Waterloo again. So let's hop off. So we shall hop over the platform and head to the other side. So here at Waterloo, the trains actually go into the depot behind us before coming back out. So let's hop in the lift and we'll go over to the other side. And just as all roads lead to Rome, all trains go to Bank.
Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap, please.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please. Mind the doors. Thank you.
So there you have it, return of what is obviously the most influential, important and essential London Underground line. More important than the Elizabeth line, more important than Bank Station itself. The Waterloo and City line is back. If you want to support me and the crazy things I do, like getting up at 4 a.m. to travel to Waterloo for Waterloo and Bank at about 6 a.m. to get on a train which journey lasts less than 5 minutes, then do hit like, hit subscribe, and there's only one way to get out of this, which is the epic Travelator. See you around, guys.